Hi everyone, I stand before you today with a heart full of gratitude and appreciation. We've made some exceptional events in the TEX fairs of Turkish universities. Sousse, Tunis, Rabat, and Marrakesh. Dear participating Turkish universities representatives, you've been a guiding beacon of knowledge. You've undoubtedly inspired countless young dreamers to study in your distinguished universities. To all of the bright faces and enthusiastic hearts who honored us with their presence, your enthusiasm and curiosity was the driving force behind the success of this event, and we are honored to be the first step towards your future and the future of your children. The Turkish Universities Fair in Tunisia and Morocco was not only a celebration of education, but also a testament to the power of unity and friendship. Let's continue to build bridges across borders and take advantage of cultural differences. In conclusion, I'd like to express my deep gratitude to each and every one of you for making this trip unforgettable. Together, let's cherish the memories that we've created and make more of these amazing events happen.